so many people from different countries to explore how, although we might not understand what someone's saying, we can still obviously understand the information of the voice or the rhythm, so that means it's introduced language. But then we thought that maybe using sounding might be a more accurate way of translating the idea, so we experimented with that, and then we put them together. And then these guys over here will have their eyes closed, and they're attempting to listen to the translation to try and make it as accurate to the original, but of course they can't see it, so we were experimenting with how this document in the middle affects the outcome at the end. So first of all, let's do a little demonstration of that.
Three of you. I'm going to have a go.
And what we did is, earlier on we did this, and we filmed the version improvisation, which you'll be able to watch on your screen. And we did that again using sounding and language, which we recorded. So we've got these ones are recorded documents. And then you guys get listen to what you hear, being played, and respond just like they did in the version. But you guys get to see here and watch the new version.
I love that. Beautiful.
There's original dance, and then there's the translation. They're going to hear the translation and translate it. So the original dance, translation.
Rotella arriba, bien, brazos arriba, corre, corre atrás, y ta, con las pistolas, camino, camino, destino, corre, corre, tanto en el suelo, la rodilla, pierna, salto, y la ninja, abajo, y arriba, y abajo otra vez, y al lado. Y va al suelo, la voltereta, me tiro, me quedo ahí, y me pongo una serpiente, me siento, y un puente, sal.
¡Woohoo!